Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you a full guide on how to fix Gumroad dashboard not loading in 2026. Yeah, if your dashboard is stuck, blank, or keeps loading forever, don't worry, this guide will help you fix it quickly because honestly, when your dashboard doesn't load, you can't track sales, manage products, or access important data. So first, check your internet connection. Uh, a slow or unstable connection can prevent the dashboard from loading properly, so reconnect your Wi-Fi, try a different network, or use a wired connection for better stability. Next, refresh the page or log out and back in. Yeah, sometimes it's just a temporary glitch. And a quick refresh or relogin can fix the loading issue instantly. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can conflict with Gumroad's system, so clearing it helps your browser load the dashboard fresh without errors. Also, try a different browser or device. Yeah, browser extensions, outdated versions, or compatibility issues can block loading, so switching to Chrome, Edge, or Firefox often solves the problem. And yeah, disable extensions like ad blockers or VPNs. So these can interfere with scripts and prevent the dashboard from loading correctly, and turning them off temporarily can fix it. Finally, check if Gumroad servers are down. Most of the time, following these steps resolves dashboard loading issues and lets you access your account smoothly again. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.